Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and the principal owner of Everett Tax Solutions, where we help you win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday, and when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics important to the home business community. Okay. So today I want to talk about this proposal in the Ways and Means Committee bill, this infrastructure bill, you guys. Usually I don't talk about proposals because proposals come in, proposals go out, stuff gets hacked and all of that, and it really causes some confusion. But I really wanted to talk about this one today because it will have a huge impact on the crypto in the crypto squad. It will have a huge impact if this actually goes through. So one of the provisions in this bill is that cryptocurrency will become subject to wash sales, okay, if this passes, all right? So it is September 15th. It is still a proposal. It has not passed yet. If it passes, I'm going to come back and let you know. So what does this mean? So with a wash sale, basically the tax code says this. A wash sale occurs when an individual sells a stock or security at a loss within 30 days before or after this sale buys a substantially identical stock or security or acquires a contract or option to do so. So the current law just says stocks and securities. It does not mention digital currency. Well, that's because when this code was written, digital currencies did not exist. And since digital currencies were treated as property, and they were not subject to the wash sale rules. So what did that look like? In the crypto world, that looked like, okay, I bought Bitcoin at $500, and then it started trading. It dropped down to $200. So I sold, took that loss, and then rebought at $200, and then made money that way, right? That's what a wash sale would look like in the crypto world. So now with that, if this becomes the law, then you would not be able to take those losses with cryptocurrency. If right now in cryptocurrency, if you had that, bought at 500 and then it started selling at 200, then you could take that $300 loss, generate that tax loss, and then go and generate gains when, buying the cryptocurrency at a lower rate. So, and of course, the goal with this is money. It's the money. Because remember, I told you with this Operation Hidden Treasure, right? They're looking for money in the crypto space. So not only are they looking for people who have not reported cryptocurrency, haven't filed those taxes and all of that. One of the other things that the commissioner said is that he felt like there's like this $1 trillion in tax money that's happening in the crypto space that the government is not getting their hands on. Well, if this passes, could then cause that problem to be rectified, right? Because if you're not able to generate those losses, then that's going to increase your capital gains in other ways, or increase your ordinary income for my traders, right? So cryptocurrency traders, this is going to be a huge thing that will impact your trading and your capital gains, okay? So now the wording in this also says that even though you won't be able to take that loss, you don't lose it completely. So what it's saying is that if you have that wash sale loss, that amount of loss is then going to be added to the basis of the new coin. So then the loss then is not lost. It's deferred, right? A deferred loss. That sounds real cute, don't it? But here's the thing. The issue with that is tracking. Okay? So this is going to require platforms to track these wash sales like they do with stocks. And the other burden is also going to fall on the taxpayer as well. Okay, because you are going to have to know that you have a wash sale in order to report the basis of that new coin properly when you sell it. And if you don't, well, then you'll just lose out, right? So you as the cryptocurrency owner now have an increased responsibility of not only just tracking your purchases and what your basis is, but if this passes, now you're going to also have to track your wash sales for each of your cryptocurrency transactions. That's a lot. And because if you forget to then add that basis to a future coin, then you're going to miss out on that loss altogether. So yeah, and if this passes, this will become effective for all cryptocurrency trades after December 31st, 2021. So beginning January 1, 2022, if this passes, that's when this is going to start. So this is a time for some serious tax planning for my crypto squad, okay? It's time for you to do some tax planning so that if this passes, then you can make the best decisions that's going to, reduce your tax liability. Is it going to require you to reach out to your tax professional? Probably so, okay? But this is, for me, this is not good news. It's not good news because, number one, the implementation of wash sales is really going to impact your tax bill. And I will give you an example of a client I had this season where he had $79,000 in wash sale losses that he couldn't take, but he had to pay taxes on $18,000 of gain. That's what wash sales do. So in all essence, he, if there was enough time between purchases of the stocks, then he would have been able to take, a $79,000 loss, but that didn't happen because of wash sales. So yeah, that's not good news. It's also not good news in the tracking process because from the tax perspective, it is already difficult enough to get accurate information from cryptocurrency holders because they don't know what their basis is. So we got to do all of this hunting to make sure that, the gains are properly reported. Now, and then if you don't track these wash sales and which coins it goes to, because remember with cryptocurrency, you've already got to report each one of these sales. And with wash sales too, that has to be reported as well, right? Wash sales have to be reported. So if you're not tracking that and then you lose track of your wash sales, then you're losing out on tax dollars. So you are gonna have to be diligent about that. So we're watching to see what is going to happen with this bill as far as cryptocurrency is concerned, to see if they implement the wash sale rules. I don't exactly know when we're going to find out, but like I said, if it happens, it's going to be starting January 1, 2022. So there you go. All right. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this helps you out, Crypto Squad. You better be watching out and definitely be talking to your tax pro if this becomes law so you can make your moves before December 31st. Okay. So thank you guys so much. Have a great day and I will see you all next time. Bye.